'tis the season for cranberry sauce. But not this kind. We can do better. It's snowy, I got my Christmas lights hung up, and I'm just feeling overall very festive. So I wanted to show you guys how I make cranberry sauce really simply and easily at home. I find my recipe for homemade cranberry sauce immensely more delicious than the store-bought kind. Plus it's refined sugar free, whereas the store-bought versions are almost all full of high fructose corn syrup, which I personally try to avoid. So if you're in the same boat, no fear, we can make a super simple and extra delicious cranberry sauce in just a few minutes. All we need are some fresh cranberries, an orange, some honey, and optionally some spices. I really like cinnamon and ginger here. You could also try cardamom, anise, or leave it out altogether. We're gonna add all of this to a wide mouth pint jar. Cranberries, the zest and juice from one orange, some honey, somewhere between a couple tablespoons and a half a cup, depending on your tastes. Optional spices if you're using them, and then we just need to blend this. You can blend this all the way smooth like I just did, that's my preference, or you can leave it a little bit chunky for more of a cranberry relish. I'm gonna put the lid on right now just loosely because I'm gonna set this on my counter to ferment for at least 24 hours, up to a week. That's the way I like it. It just adds a really lovely complexity to the flavor. It thickens up even more and kind of gels, and it has all those wonderful, lovely probiotics that are so good for you. So this is my take on cranberry sauce. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for spending your valuable time in my kitchen with me again today. I hope that you enjoyed this fun little cranberry recipe. I'd love to hear your very favorite festive cranberry recipes, so let me know what they are in the comments, and I'll see you guys next week.